Well, hello, crafty friends. Day 23 of the Uniquely Creative Advent Calendar, and time is flying so quickly now. So, today we have got another one of our inspiration booklets, and I'm sure this is going to be filled with lots of beautiful ideas for card making as well as scrapbook layouts. And so far, we've seen quite some gorgeous examples so far, and projects that look like that they're not too hard to work out how to actually make them. Oh, and there you can see the gorgeous die and the die cuts. Oh, and there's the lovely stencil being used there, along with some of the large words from the ephemera pack. And there's some of those gorgeous birds. And this page has the gorgeous watercolouring of those pretty images from the colouring in book. And again, lots of gorgeous ideas there too. Well, that's full of inspiration. Thank you for joining me. And until tomorrow, bye bye for now. I really had lots of fun playing with dipping the flowers in inks. Thanks for joining me. Bye bye for now.